So welcome to the mini adventure video shot for Clinton Penner on Superbike Magazine and posted on our channel because you guys should see it. Welcome to a very cold and breezy winter's morning in Tonteldoos near Delstrom and our accommodation for the evening at the High Side Tavern. How are you, bro?
Good, how you doing?
Yeah, lekker. Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for having you guys around, man.
What a magic spot, eh? Is it cold enough for you, baby? This morning is a bit of a ride planned through those mountains in the distance. Just a 50-kilometer loop to take us into the town of Delstrom, and then I think from Delstrom we'll head on home. It's like really relaxed city.
But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots,
Thanks, Phil. Good to see you guys. Always a pleasure having the Superbike boys out here.
You got a magic spot here. We'll see you soon.
Thanks, Chris. Take care. Good to see you guys again, eh?
Okay, we're about 35 k's from Delstrom. We've got a flat on the front of the Africa Twin, the camera backup bike, and the 250L is running out of juice. To all the naysayers who say you have to have a center stand, I present the Rock. And we're about to siphon fuel into that thing from that.
There's a few things that you always have to bring on adventure bikes. Motoring bare kit, that way it gets some fuel out of the bike. Yeah, do it.
Ready to go. Camera bike is sorted. The thirsty bike is sorted. And we go that way. Back on the road. Well, I got to tell you, that was about as much fun as I've had on a bike. It was fantastic. Nice, easy terrain, a little bit of rock, a little bit of stuff, some jumping, a little bit of air, gorgeous scenery. Not super fast, riding the bike pretty hard, but it loves it. Suspension is sprung beautifully. It can just soak up anything. Magic. Dahlstrom, here we come. Our regular ritual of fuel for the L. How much have we put here?
7 plus 750.
8 liters. 8 something.
7.5, no 7.5.
Thirsty little monster. Guys, how lucky is it to be able to sit down and have a little coffee?
Tell you what, I really appreciate it.
You just spent a section on the little KTM, and
Fantastic. Bottomed out the suspension a couple times, but there's some pretty big jumps. Otherwise, lekker, nice and comfy, great section of road out there, really fun.
Yaku, what were you riding?
Actually, I was on the Zontes now.
And
It was the roughest terrain that I've ever ridden on any bike.
And
Yeah,
he thought he was on a magic carpet. It just floated along.
no, I was scared shitless a couple of times. But yeah, it was really cool. And,
I think that's brilliant,
I
because that's exactly
really enjoyed
that's
it.
really what it's about. You were on the red rocket. You were on the little rally
I
machine.
almost think it's my favorite little bike. I love it. It's just the engine's a bit tough. But if you have to go do the Tonko rally right now, and you must choose one bike out of all of those bikes, I think it's the only one you can actually go for that will actually, it's a proper little rally bike.
Yeah, you can throw some hard stuff at it.
All the other bikes are a little bit more town commuter focused, is it?
You Oaks 2 up.
On the BM.
Yeah.
Well, they really need to work on their suspension. That suspension is really not good, but other than that, the bike's pretty good.
And tell me something, Kiara, after sitting on the back now for so long, you've got a good idea of everything. Any thoughts?
I'd like to ride my own bike.
Your dad would be so happy.
Everybody home safe and sound after a very lucky one. Clinton on duty already.
If you have to go on the highway, it feels faster, but you will be at the back.
That was magic.
Lekker rides.
Thank you. And everybody's safe and sound and no breakages and no nonsense.
Yeah.
Which is
Just like make a bike get a puncture.
yeah.
I love the
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Daddy.
Lovely.